Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover why we have the order of operations. Why do we use the order of operations? Remember, the order of operations are parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. We call this PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear and let's say Sammy. We can remember PEMDAS by that little trick. So we have the P for please, E for excuse, M for my, dear, and Sammy or Sally. You can just make up a name, it doesn't matter. So the order of these are in order of the letters PEMDAS. As you can see, parentheses is for the P, E is for the exponents, M is for the multiplication and division, the A and the S is for addition and subtraction. So why do we use this? We use this so that way everyone is on the same page as far as working through problems. We all work through them the same way in order to get to the same answers. And there isn't any confusion about how to work through things. We all use the same set of rules, the same set of instructions. That's the order of operations. Now, let's take a look at the two examples I got right here to show you why the order of operations is very important. I'm gonna make another two examples so you guys can understand it a bit better. So we have an example right here, 17 minus 8 times 3. And right here, the exact same thing. I'm going to do the first one without the order of operations. So I'm gonna write above it, no PEMDAS. So very ugly. Again, very ugly, my bad guys. PEMDAS. Like this. This one is without the order of operations. So let's start by just solving this without the order of operations. So if we don't choose the order of operations, we're gonna do, of course, like this. 17 minus 8, which will equal 9. After that, because, of course, we go from left to the right, we do 9 times 9 times 3. And we will get an answer of 27. 27. This won't do because this is the wrong answer. Because we didn't use the order of operations. You can't solve problems without the order of operations. You will always get the wrong answer. So, let's say the times was not a multiplication sign, it was just an addition sign or a minus sign. That way, we don't have to use the order of operations because they are both the same value, let's say, and we can just go from the left to right. But if you have mixed, like addition or subtraction, mixed with multiplication and division in one problem, we have to use the order of operations. And you can see right here, this is the order, so we have to do the 8 times 3 first. So let's do that for the second one. We do the 8 times 3 first, and we will get 8 times 3, we will get a 24. 24. So now we are using the order of operations, so we get a 24. And as you can see here, we didn't get anywhere close to a 24. So now, with the 24, we just solve the problem normally. We do 17 minus 24. Like this, you will get the correct answer, which is minus 7. I've talked about negative numbers in previous videos, so if you don't understand it, stop watching this video, go watch the other video, and come right back so you understand why it can be a negative number. So, right now, I showed you why this is very important. Because you can see you get two very different final answers. And only one of them is correct. This one we did use PEMDAS. This one we did use PEMDAS, or the order of operations. So this one, we just went from the left to the right and we didn't do the order of operations. This one, we started with the multiplication and then the subtraction. So this is very important because this is the right answer, like this, and this is the wrong answer. So I'm gonna write one more example for you guys, and I will come right back. So now I have two other examples. Again, for the first one, we're not going to use PEMDAS. So let's write this down so you guys don't get confused. PEMDAS. And for this, we are going to use PEMDAS. So for this one, if we don't use the order of operations again, we will get a completely wrong answer because we will go from the left to the right without following the rules or the orders. So let's do this without using the order of operations. So we have 91 minus 73. This will equal 18. Now with the 18, we are going to multiply it by 7. This now will equal 126 as a final answer. Now I'm going to show you why this is completely wrong and why the order of operations is so important. Well, my bad guys, I'm trying to move it to the left so we have enough space for the second example. So I'm going to show you why this is very important to know and not mess up. So now we're going to do the problem again, but this time we are going to use the order of operations. So with the order of operations, we can look to the left and we can see the multiplication or the divisions come before the addition or the subtractions. So in this case, we have to do the 73 times 7 first. 73 times 7 will be a very big number, but don't be scared. It's 511. Now, all we have to do is subtract the 511 from the 91. So this will get us a completely different answer, which will be minus 420. This is because we did use the order of operations, and this will be the right answer. And this will be the completely wrong answer. So this is why the order of operations is very important and why we use it. And why everyone uses it. That's because if someone would use another order, or no order of operations, we will all be confused on what will be the right answer, but now everyone uses the order of operations. We will always get the same answers for the same problems the different people will get. So this was basically the video on why do we use the order of operations or PEMDAS. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can always leave a question in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.